Part 48. So what I did is I took the front off, and then I put a new rafter in, and then I went ahead and tacked this in with a couple screws on here to hold it. And then I put my plywood up and I fastened on this side because this is gonna go on the outside wall. And so I didn't fasten anything here, so that way I can lift this off and then hopefully it'll fit on the other wall. Now, if these walls here don't line up exactly, I can either shim underneath this or cut this bird's mouth out a little bit in order to lift this up and down for everything to match up like it's supposed to. But sometimes, depending on how much curve you have in your rafters, these blocks might not be exactly the same measurements as what I had there. So you might have to either push this up and down to get that to plane out again, or you may have to select a different rafter or whatever has to happen there to make that work. But this is kind of a little bit risky only because it's not actually physically sitting on the wall that it's supposed to go on. But I'm pretty confident I can trim the bottom of these a little bit if I need to make everything fit. If it's too long, if it's too short, I can sit on top of the rafter and get it to flex a little. So that is the finished portion of that. Now the next step is to start working on the egg hutch, which is going to go right there. So here's the other wall that I moved up out of the way. And then this, I don't know if you can see this one. See how this rafter's got a big swoop in it? I had this on the front originally, but when you try to put your upright pieces on there, it really made a big curve in that wall. So I just set it aside. It's fine in any of these other locations because I could push on that with my foot when I go to put the purlings on. So, and straighten it back out. All right, that's what we got.